Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming your Windows version and updates. That avoids compatibility hiccups. Next, right-click an empty spot on the taskbar and open taskbar settings so you can enable widgets immediately. If the widgets toggle is visible, turn it on. Once done, you'll see a widgets icon near the clock. If you don't see a toggle, open the Microsoft Store and install the Widgets app. This installs necessary components. Make sure to reboot if Windows prompts you to complete the install. You'll click the Widgets icon to reveal the panel and see default tiles. This is where you add content. Tap Add Widgets and pick the ones you want, whether calendar, news, or stocks are common choices, because each offers quick glance info without opening apps. Once widgets appear, drag them to rearrange the layout and resize if supported. Use the settings gear on an individual widget to link accounts or pick locations. This ensures the data you see is relevant and up to date. Finish by adjusting refresh and permission settings so widgets update on schedule. For example, enable background apps or location access for real-time weather. If widgets don't load, don't panic. Run Windows Update and then the built-in apps troubleshooter to repair missing dependencies. If issues persist, go to Settings, Apps, find the Widgets app, and choose Reset to clear corrupted state. One key tip: sign out and back into your Microsoft account after a reset. That often restores synced widget data and fixes stubborn display problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.